If you ever wondered how to speed up process of editing your videos, this video is for you, so let's just dive in. Now, tip number one is before you actually get to edit your videos, mark your clips. So let's say you are shooting the video and then you have just done the clip that you will definitely use. You can mark it on your camera by simply covering the lens just like that. So now you have a black screen. So once you import the files, the clips into your editing software, you will see these black markings. You can also use some one solid color object, something like this, and just create these little short clips. So once you import them into the software, you will see your markings and you will know the clip before that is the one that you want to use. So this is extremely useful if you are shooting many short video clips and you just don't want to go through all of them and you already know the ones you will definitely be using. You can mark them by using this simple method. Tip number two, if you have a recording, let's say of yourself or anybody else speaking, and you know that there will be mistakes and multiple takes of the one cut, you can simply edit your videos from the end. Because editing from the end will mean that you are taking the best version at the end that you did last. So instead of going through 5 or 10 different takes before you concluded with the best one, just start editing from the end. Tip number three, again, if you are working with video just like this one where I'm talking to the camera, you will have audio track, and instead of looking on my face on the footage, you can use audio track and you will see the gaps where you are making mistakes. You will see the gaps where you finish one point and when you start another one. So instead of looking of actual video footage track, look on the audio to see where there are gaps, where the cuts will be needed. Tip number four, don't try to edit the video in one go by placing all the footage, B-rolls, visuals at the same time while you're working with the original A-roll. Finish the A-roll fast. So do all the cuts you need, all the trimming, and join the videos together, join all your footage together. Finish your A-roll completely before you then move on into the B-roll. Step number five is to add your B-rolls. Whether you are using stock videos, images, texts, any other visuals such as text elements or subtitles, do them in one go again. Once you have done your A-roll, then move to the B-roll and just finish completely your B-rolls before you move to the next step. And tip number six is then to edit your audios. So whether you need to reduce some background noises or use any other effect on your audios, now is the time when you can apply that, and you will see how it matches together with your video and all the footage of the B-rolls that you have included. So at this point, now you're moving to your audios. Number seven, save presets. So whether there are color correction combinations or audio effect or video transitions, any combinations of effects that you are using can be saved as a preset. So next time when you come in to edit your footage and you know that you're gonna color correct, you're gonna fix the white balance, you can simply drag and drop entire preset without going in and trying to duplicate it again, and that will gonna save you a lot of time. And now, last but not least, tip number 8 is to save templates. So let's say I'm recording my YouTube videos. I know that I will gonna have a short intro, there will be a subscribe button there will be end screen there, I will gonna use some adjustment layers. So you can create template by simply creating this sort of empty project where you put the things that you know you're gonna use on every single video, and then save this project as your template, and then just import the footage that you will be using for your particular project. Now you know how to edit your videos faster, and if you are shooting content for YouTube, here is the 10 tips you need to know how to improve your videos even more.